Hello, this is the process on how to clean the meeting desk, which we use for the lean meetings. So first of all, clear off all the stuff that's on the meeting desk on all levels and put it on the side. And then take some paper roll from there. And then there's the polish. Make sure get the polish from the gents' toilet. This in there. So take the polish from there. Come back. Clean all the levels. So if you look at it from top to in here to this one to even the sides and everything as well. So make sure you clean it thoroughly. Put everything back in its place. Put it back in its line as well. And then once you're done, put your polish and everything back where it belongs. And chuck your paper in the bin. So this is how you do. This is how we clean the meeting desk. Thank you.